In this art class, we're going to draw and learn about the mouse, also known as mice. All you're going to need is a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, go ahead and hit that pause button. Make sure you stay to the end for a bunch of fun facts about mice and to color with me. Mice are small rodents that typically grow between 2 and 4 inches long, excluding their tails. In the wild, mice typically live for 6 to 12 months because of predators and their harsh environment conditions. Are highly adaptable and thrive in a multitude of environments, such as forests and fields, to urban areas and homes. Mice are skilled nest builders, and they can construct an elaborate nest using materials like plant fibers, clothing, or even paper. Great job following directions! Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music and some more fun facts, and hit that like button if you're enjoying this art class. Mice have a keen sense of smell, which helps them navigate their environment and locate food because they have pretty poor eyesight. Mice are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. They will consume almost anything, including fruit, plants, grains, and insects. They will consume Mice are adept climbers and can scale vertical surfaces with ease, thanks to their long claws and their strong hind legs. Despite their size, mice are excellent jumpers and can jump about 18 inches. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure you check out the other art classes in this series, subscribe for the upcoming art classes, and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your art. See you next time!